In this video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Android smartphone the right way. So if you had experienced a technicality that may require you to perform a reset factory, then all you need to do is to go to settings. And here's my settings. Then tap on it. Now we have two methods you can use to factory reset your smartphone. First, you can scroll down and look for additional settings on your smartphone. And you can see mine is here. If you tap on it and then scroll down here you can see an option called factory reset, which is this, which is the last one. If you tap on it, it will open the factory reset option. Alternatively, if you just open your settings and then open about phone, you can see the option is here. Then scroll down, you can see we have an option to factory reset your smartphone. So go ahead and tap on it. And then here we have an option down called erase all data. As you can see, it is here. And you're told that the following will be erased. So if you have important information on your smartphone, you have to back up before you can erase all the data. Now, if you have done so, or if you're okay, just go ahead and tap on erase all data. And this will also emphasize on the importance of you backing up your data before you can delete. For my case, I'll proceed because I had copied it externally, so I'll go ahead and tap on factory reset. If you want to back up your data, just tap on back data and then select the option where you want to back up your data. And then this will back up all your data. If you're okay, just go ahead and tap on got it. Give the permission for your phone to do so, and then your data will be backed up. So I'll go ahead and erase my data by tapping on factory reset. And if you have a password, you'll have to enter, and then you'll have to confirm that you want to perform this, and then tap on next. And then this will go on and delete all the information that you have. As you can see, the deletion process has begun on my smartphone. Be patient as it erases everything, and then you will have a fresh new start on your smartphone. And now you can see the process is on. Now it is important to remember that your phone should have enough power before you perform this process. And now here we go. The process is almost done. Now we have to relaunch afresh to get started. So tap on next and then agree on the policies. Then proceed. Let me enter. I am connected to the Wi-Fi, so I'll enter the Wi-Fi. If you don't have any Wi-Fi connection, you can skip this part. You can just skip this part by tapping on skip. So let me skip. And this will go ahead and check my phone in a few minutes to get it ready. So I'll skip this for now. If you want to enter your email, you can enter this point. If you don't want, you can still skip. Or if you have it already, you can just enter it. So I'll enter mine. And then finally accept the terms. Choose if you want to set any security lock or screen lock. I'll skip for now. Then agree to cookies. And here your setup is complete. And now your fresh start is here. And as you can see now, I have a fresh new start on my smartphone. So that's how you factory reset your smartphone and get a fresh new start on your smartphone. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.